Hello everybody. Imagine there's a cyclone around you, a cyclone of never-ending thoughts, a cyclone of good thoughts, bad thoughts, other people's thoughts, insecurity, chaos even. Wait a minute. This is how our life is, isn't it? We're surrounded by thoughts, as though it's a cyclone. There is a way to move to the eye, to the center of the cyclone. In the center, the mind is quiet. Thoughts slow down. The body is relaxed. And from this center, we see how everything happening around us does not disturb us if we don't become identified with it. And there are ways for us to experiment with this. And this is what we will be sharing together for the weekend in December, which will be the 12th and the 13th of December. We will be looking at ways of coming to this silence that is there. It is there. It's not that we have to create the center. The center is naturally there. Amidst all the turmoil and things that are happening around us, there is also a center in us where nothing is happening. And how to be in that center for even a few moments is so nourishing, so rejuvenating, that then we can play with whatever life brings us. And this weekend, our meditations that we'll be doing, mostly from Osho's Book of Secrets, our meditations will be supported with Marco's music, which helps the whole experience to be joyful and light. So let's get together. There'll be time for questions at the end, if you have any. And I look forward very, very much to sharing this with you. Bye-bye.